everyone, it's Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So today I came home and I was surprised to see that I have this big My Mani box. Like usually it's like half the size this. So I'm excited to see what is inside for this month. This one is October 2020 and its theme is a lovely leaf. So yeah, I've never got one like this big before. It looks like it's a Mooey London box, but yeah, I'm excited to see what is in here because I've never got this one. I got it pretty soon. It looks like there's actually a lot of stuff in here. So I'm excited to see what is in here and we're going to check it out and we'll see. Alright, let's pull out the card here. So this one is for October. And we have a bunch of stuff in here. Alright, so let's start off with whatever first. I guess we'll do the nail polish. I'm going to move this back a little bit so we can kind of see what's in here. So this looks like this is a Mooey London one. Pull everything off. It's wrapped up super well. So let's see. This one is a Mooey London and this is Heaven Ascent. And this is a stamping polish full size and it's $9.99 on the Beautometry website. And this is the color. I guess it's kind of like a nude kind of color. Sort of. Peachy. Alright. I definitely don't have a stamping polish this color, so we'll try it out. So that is the first thing in here. And then we have, I think this is the Cuticle Putty in Happy Fall. It's 5 milliliters and it is $2.50 on their website and it's got a cute little sticker. And I think this is a signature scent for them. So I think it's new, but that's cute. Very cute. I always can use cuticle stuff. Let's see what else we got in here. Next polish. Thinking that this is the Femme Fatale one. Yeah, this one I got, there's two options. Grape Myrtle, I think I got. It's a Beautometry exclusive. It was that or Dusty Tides. This is a full-size polish, and this one is $14 on their website. So you can see it's kind of like a pinky, mauvey, purpley, sparkly polish. I guess it is a very fall-looking polish. It's nice. Alright, and now onto stamping plates. And we'll get to the reason to why this box is so big in a minute after we open here. Alright, we've got a bunch of stuff in here. Oh, we got a cute card. Oh, this tells you about their newest product. So that was the Cuticle Putty. And it's a new scent for them. So there you go. And then it tells me, yeah, all what is inside of it. So that's great. Enjoy our newest product. Alright, let's see the stamping plate. Oh, and we got some leaves. And these are from, they're 2 nail art leaves and they are $2. I think they're just from Beautometry. Kind of cool. I guess you can like cut them up. Sorry. Cut them up and kind of like put them over top of something would be cool. Like glue them on. Alright, let's see this stamping plate. So we have 2 stamping plates. This is the Fall in Love collection and this is from Mooey London and these are $9.99 each and this is a number 8 and that is what it looks like. It's cute, very fall looking, obviously. And then we got number 6 as well. So we got lots of different leaves and things on there. Not really sure what that is supposed to be exactly, but I like how you get to like build them, like do different things together and then build it up. I'm really liking that. Like, Muly London is starting to do a lot of the same things as Clear Jelly Stamper has been doing. So like you use this one and then you go along with all of the different leaf patterns. I like how it's like different layers. So that's pretty cool, because I like a lot of the Clear Jelly Stamper ones, but I don't have a lot of their plates. But I like how it's like layered up and you can do different colors and make it more detailed. So very cool. Alright, the reason why this box is so big is because of this Muly London book, which is amazing. I am very excited about this. So, alright, I zoomed you out. So this is the book that I got for, this is the hollow plate holder, and it's actually $45, which is insane. And it came in this box, so I'm excited. So I definitely got my value for this box, because you don't pay that much. I got everything that is listed on here, and it's way over than normally. But I think it's because it says that we're celebrating 3 years with My Mani Box. Thanks for your support and happy stamping. So that might be why. There's also, I get a $10 certificate, I think, to Beautometry as well via email. So that's pretty exciting. But let's look at this. I needed a new one of these. I can get it out. So I have a very small one that I got from, I think, a prior My Mani box, but it's not big enough anymore. So I'll show you the comparison. So this is my current one, and then this one is bigger, a lot bigger. But I got this one, I think, a while ago, but I really like this one. Is really nice. Let's open it up. See all that hollow? Like, amazing. And you can see what it looks like on that side, and then it's just got the hollow on the other side, and it's got like a nice zipper. Trying to keep more detailed, but it's too big. So yeah, it opens up on one side, and then if we've got like different folders, and then we have all of these for the stamping plates. So this is definitely for rectangular stamping plates, which is mostly what I have anyways. So that's nice. And then there's another zipper. I love like the look of this. It's so pretty. And then we have another one with all of these, and then we have more folders, I guess, to put things in there too. So this is going to hold a lot, which is great, because every time I get a My Mani box, I get 2 new stamping plates, and I'm kind of running out of room. So I'm pretty excited to use this, and I definitely wouldn't have bought this myself because of how much it actually is, but I really am excited that I got it in this box, because I probably wouldn't pay $45 American. Like, it's really nice and everything, it's just not something that I would probably spend the money on it, but it is beautiful. I love it. I'm super excited that this came in the box, and I love Muly London, so it's really, really cool. If you do get this, let me know what you think, if you like it as well. If you end up buying it yourself, or if you get it in a My Mani box, that's awesome too. But yeah, overall, I'm pretty excited about this particular October box. I got a lot of different things, a lot of cool stuff that I never would have thought of getting. But yeah, I am definitely probably going to go onto their website when I get that coupon and buy a few things. So yeah, so happy 3 years to My Mani box. I can't believe it's already been that long, but I guess I've been getting it probably, I don't know, 2 years maybe, or more. I don't even know. I probably got it close to when it started, but yeah, I'm going to stop rambling. I'm a little tired, so that's kind of why I seem a little bit different in this video. But as always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and also check out my Instagram at Allie's blog, and I will see you next time. Thanks. Bye.